In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Miro. Now, in order to do this, what we can do is we just need to head over to Miro.com. From in there, enter right here your work email and proceed to click onto this sign up free in order to create an account. You can also use your Gmail for this one. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click onto this login right here in order to log into mine. Now here is my Miro board. In order to create an org chart, proceed to click onto this plus icon. Now click onto the search tools. You can proceed to search in here for org and it will show you this org chart. Now onto this case, just click onto this particular tool and as you can see an org chart is already added. If you wish to edit it, you can head over and import right here a CSV that has each column with header, with employee, extrovert highest level, with a supervisor indicated in specific column. So you can also download the CSV template. So let's download it and let me show you how it looks like. Let me head over and open it. Now here it is right here. We have in here the name of the employee, their work email, their job title, their manager email address. You can just proceed to input that right here and click onto this save icon in order to save it. Just edit it however you want. Now let's close this. And once you're in here, just drop a CSV file into this part. Click onto this right here under the browse if you want to just browse your details. After that, upload the CSV and click on next. Then input the identifier columns. Click on next and input right here the role identifiers. Click on done. Then after that, the org chart shall be created and here it is right here as you can see into this part. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out in creating an org chart.